10 owl facts. Owls don't build homes. They find cozy spots in trees or hidey holes made by other animals. Owls have super strong claws called talons. They use them to catch their dinners like mice and bugs. Guess what? Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. It's like doing a superhero twist. Owls are birds that love staying awake and active when we're fast asleep at night. Depending on the owl, they can live for many years, even longer than our pet cats and dogs. Some owls can make sounds like other birds. It's their way of playing tricks on friends. When they like each other, owls do special dances and share food gifts. It's like having a fun party. Owls' ears aren't seen. They hide them under their fluffy feathers on their heads. Their feathers help them blend in perfectly with trees and bushes, making it hard to see them. Some owls are as tiny as a toy, while others are big like a grown-up. They come in all sizes. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!